In the first video on how to construct a feasibility study, I made a mistake with the calculation of stocks at the end of the year. We calculated the remaining stocks as the purchases minus sales plus what remains from the previous year. This is correct when it comes to second year. However, it doesn't apply to the remaining years. For example, in the third year, it is true that the remaining stock is equal to the purchases minus sales during the year plus what remained from the previous year, but we missed to include the stocks that remained from the first year. Thus, the correct answer should be purchases minus sales plus what remained from the 2 previous years and not only the last one. This approach has another issue. Total inventory in euros is meant to correspond to what we bought plus what remained. This is the inventory holdings during the year, but what we need is the inventory at the end of the year. To solve the problem, we just replace the formula to calculate the inventory. Inventory at the end of the year is equal purchases minus sales plus what remains over from the past. Thus, for the first year, and for laptops, it is just 30 since we don't have any years of operations before. For the second year, it is equal to the same like before plus what remained over the first year and so on. As you notice, the net present value or internal rate or return values don't change as a result of the change we made. In fact, most of the numbers don't change because the change we applied affect mainly the cash flow statement. The balance sheet totals don't change as well, because as in the example explained in the class where we used the cups of water for illustration, the change we made affect the assets only. Thus, the decline in inventory value at year-end is reflected by an increase in cash levels of the same amount. That was it. Sorry for any inconvenience caused.